Hey Cordo, battery status.
Battery status 75%.
Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Si Cardo 75%. Wala man tayong kausap ngayon. So solo Vespa gaming tayo today guys. We're going to Kuya Jody's garage. How are you guys doing today? Hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna install something. We're gonna install a auxiliary light na dala ng Airnaut ko from the Philippines. So thanks mom for bringing it in with you, and shout out kay Tito Willie sa pag-asikaso ng mga ilaw. And I think nabili niya to, I'll put the Facebook page here, Onimoto. So it's yung brand ng auxiliary light is Motor Fans. Di ko alam kung saan made yung ilaw. If I'm not mistaken, India ba siya made. Pero parang nung sa video na sinend sa akin, parang kino-compare nila sa Clearwater itong ilaw na to. So we'll see. Kasi yung isang tropa merong Clearwater na nakakabit sa BMW niya. Tingnan natin kung comparable yung output ng ilaw na ilalagay natin today. Problema nandun, hindi naman problema. Ang kasama niyang switch is yung regular switch, toggle switch, no? Pero in-orderan tayo ni Pogi ng switch na papasok dito, yung apatan. Copper Monkey yata yung switch na yun. So for now, siguro lalagay ko lang muna sa loob ng glove box yung switch para lang matesting natin kung okay yung quality ng ilaw. Baka magpa-order pa tayo. Kasi si Kuya JR nasa Pilipinas ngayon. So actually tatlong pairs yung dumating na rin doon na ilaw. Ngayon kung trip ng iba, edi order pa tayo para madala ni Kuya JR pabalik dito sa Vegas. Dumating yung ilaw kahapon. Today is what? Today is Saturday. Kahapon dumating Friday. So gusto na namin ikabit today para matesting. Let's see. Siyempre naman day off tayo today. So meron tayong time magpakabit ng ilaw. Medyo mainit siya today. Hindi ko lang kung ilan. Hindi naman ganun kainit. Pero naka tayo, naka-jersey, riding jersey. Pero may airbag tayo sa loob. Wala tayong 360 ngayon kasi hindi ko na-i-charge. Hindi ko pala siya na-i-charge kagabi. Single cam tayo today. Minsan nakakamiss din mag-edit ng single camera kasi mabilis eh, diba? Samahan nyo na ako. Punta tayo kaya Kuya Jody. Naisip ko magpi-freeway ako eh. Dahil lang tayo ng gas station din pala kasi nagpapabili siya ng Coke. So yun, napanood nyo ba yung huling video natin guys about sa mga misis na hindi po payag sa pagmumotor nyo? Sa iyo kung gagawin nyo yung tip na nabigay ko na ngayon na bahala. From personal experience. Freeway na natin, late na tayo. Sabi ko kasi 4 o'clock ako nandun 4:04 na. Malapit lang naman, mga isang exit lang tong freeway na to. Let's go! Freeway gaming! 70, 74, 75, medyo packet pa to. Yan talaga, okay na to, hindi na masama to. Yun, exit na tayo dito. Oh, corn. Ilang miles na ba tayo? 2,091 miles na tayo. So almost 2,000 miles na nung nakuha natin to. Sulit din. Daan tayo sa Shell dito malapit. Doon tayo kumuha ng Coca-Cola. Medyo tahimik ang kalye sa Sabado. Tayo park sa harap. Yo. Alright. Bili mo tayo ng Coke guys. Napusina pa. Alright, nakabili tayo ng Coke. Ayan. Uwi na ako ng isang kahon. Hindi ko alam sana makasurvive tayo dito. Dala natin to. Make sure na natin na hindi mahulog tong Coca-Cola. Alright, nakasurvive ang ating Coca-Cola sa paa. Dito tayo kay Jody. So tahimik din dito sa neighborhood nila. Siya lang maingay dito guys. So nagpalit din siya ng ilaw. Doon naglagay siya ng ilaw nung minsan, yung malaki niyang auxiliary light. Meron siyang nakuha mas maliit. Yes, yellow din. Itong sa atin pwedeng puti, pwedeng yellow. Lalagay mo lang yung yellow cover. Lalagay mo lang yung yellow cover sa sa lens. The Coke survived. The Coke survived. There, we are now here. So, let's see. Let's go. So, ito yung brand ng ilaw. Motor fans. Ayaw ko lang dito ito. Yung cover lang siya na ilalagay ito. Pero, tingnan natin kung okay din naman. So, ito yung ilaw mismo. Ito mismo yung ilaw niya. So, mukhang maliwanag naman. Tinasting namin kanina kung gumagana. So, but, this is his auxiliary light. GS. Triple back GS. And then, ito yung kanya. Maganda rito. Glass yung mismong yellow. Tapos pinount lang niya direkta dito. So, matibay. Ginawan lang niya ng... Binarena lang ata niya yung parang butas dito para magkasya yung bolt. So, yun. Tingnan natin kung anong kalalabasan nun sa atin. Let's go. Alright, update. Here you go. As it looks. So, the hardest part is putting the wire in. You know. So, had to take everything out. I think on his bike, he didn't take a lot. It's a little different. But here we have to take the glove box off. But it's almost there. Only one piece needs to go through that hole. And it should be good. Alright, it's done. It's been done. We just waited for the sun to set so we can adjust it. But so far it's good. That's the headlight. And we turn it on. Yep, it's pretty bright, but I think it's low. It's there, no?
It's been there.
Oh, right there. That should be good. Let's try it. Headlight only. Aux light. Putang taas. Andun sa ano? Andun sa bahay. Pero maliwanag siya, guys. Pag binaba naman, masyadong nakatutok sa baba. I feel like it's still high, but I don't know. Because it's in the second floor, see?
Yeah. And now it's too low.
Turn the thing. Hey, think right there. No, I think that should be good. Mukhang magagalit ang mga kasalubong natin, guys. Pero at least maliwanag. Kuya, I think we can go left a little bit. There. Right there. That's it. Yun na. Okay na ako dito. Goods na ako dito. Actually, yung yellow niya, cover lang yun eh. So pwede tanggalin. Pag nagsaba, pwede maging puti. Happy tayo sa output ng ilaw. May liwanag pa rin kahit pa paano. So mas maliwanag pa yan pag super dilim na. Mamaya doon ka lang Mike Bomac doon sa area na sobrang dilim doon eh. So i-try natin doon. Alright.
Mine's a lot slimmer.
Thank you, sir.
No worries.
Is it now bright?
Yeah.
Sir? Thank you.
The daylight.
As long as they can see me, we're good. We go. Bam! Hell yeah. There it is. Thank you. Success, guys. It's brighter than the headlights. Dito naman kasi walang problema mag aux light. Hindi sila masyadong mahigpit dito. Basta dilaw, wag lang blue or red, should be good. So ride lang tayo na ngayon. Punta ka lang Mike Bomac. May dadaan lang tayo. Sandali. Okay naman yung pagkakabit, yung pag-install. Nagtagal lang kasi kailangan yung sa kanya kasi kinabitan niya. He didn't take off the glove box na nairan yung wire. Dito we had to take it off para may pasok yung wire, yung wiring harness. So yung nabili nating ilaw, again, motor fans yung front, and then bawat isang ilaw, isang harness. Tapos yung harness niya may relay ng kasama, at saka may fuse na rin siyang kasama. Yung bracket, wala siyang, yung pinaka bracket lang ng ilaw yung kasama. So nirekta na lang ni Kuya Jody dun sa pwesto dun sa may cover ng shock. So dinrill lang niya ng konti para lumaki. Kasi sabi ko, hindi ko naman tatanggalin na yan, dyan na yan eh, you know. Dinrill lang niya, tapos tinagyan ng bolt. Yun, okay na. Hindi siya nagbabibrate. So it's good. Again, I think nabili to sa Oni Moto. Okay, subukan natin try yung Facebook page dito. Parang ang pair niya is 8,000 ata, 8,000 pesos, dalawa na. Yun nga, kaya try nila i-compete sa sa Clearwater. Kasi ang ayaw ko lang dito, yung cover ng lens medyo maluwag siya. So ginawa namin, nilagyan ng tape yung mismong ilaw na electrical tape, binalutan para kumapal, para hindi mahulog yung cover. So yung cover niya is cover lang talaga, hindi siya yung mismong lens. Yun lang ang para sa akin. Mas maganda sana kung yellow talaga yung lens. Kaya ang advantage nito, pwede mo tanggalin. Kung sawa ka na sa dilaw, gawin mong puti. Ngayon, tinanggal ko kanina altakas ng puti. Sulit siya, sulit. Okay naman, gumagana naman lahat. Naibalik namin ang lahat sa tama. Buti busina. Alright, kita-kits na doon ka na magpoma, kasi doon pitch black doon sa area nila. Doon natin testingin itong ilaw ulit. Let's go. Alright, so nandito tayo sa street nila Mike Bomac. Minurong natin sa kaliwa ng konti, kasi kanina pagbukas mo nasa kanan. Ngayon, feeling ko mas maganda yung bato nito ngayon. Yung napupunta sa kanan, ay mataas pala pataas. Sa puno. Ayun baba natin ng konti. So ayan pag pinatay mo siya, buksan mo, ayun nasa taas kanan, di ba? So kaliwa pa ng konti siguro. Yan. So ba konti. Yan. Ayan, maganda yung bato nito. Ata. Pero parang mas okay na yung bato niya ngayon. Ayan di ba siya guys? What's uppers? Beda Force vacation.
Searching for group. Grouping succeeded.
Who's here?
You got this nigga in?
Damn! Welcome to Cardo World, Pogi. We got a bonus footage today, guys. So Pogi has a new helmet setup.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Vegas, Vespa Pogi.
We're heading to where? Ooh, wow! Summerlin, downtown Summerlin. Alright, we're here at downtown Summerlin. It's a quick tambike. It's a very, very big laan tambike. So we just have to test Pogi's helmet setup. That's why we went for a ride.
Yo, what's up, guys? Say hi to the vlog.
What's up?
What's up? What's up? We're gonna turn on Pogi's camera. Medyo bago-bago to eh. Gano'n na katagal to, Mac?
Alin?
5
Downtown?
May 5 years na ba to?
Oh yeah, may 5 years na to. Nung inabutan tayo ng ulan dito, hindi pa tayo nagpa-vlog, no? Wala pa, no? Ha?
Multistrada?
Yeah, nagpa-vlog na.
Naka-vlog yun actually.
Yeah, it's somewhere there.
Yeah.
Check the playlist, guys.
Yo! What's up, Pogi? You're gonna say anything to your vlog, man? Are you still nervous? Maybe. Maybe. Hey, it's a stop sign, Pimpin.
But nobody's around. You gotta do the California stuff.
California stuff. And this is downtown Summerlin. It's a outdoor mall where the rich people goes.
So it's kind of like Eastwood in the Philippines.
Oh yeah,
But without
Oh yeah.
not big ass mall.
It's like Eastwood.
Oh, is that a popo?
That's a
Is that a
popo.
popo?
And you're on the wrong way. Is this one way? It's not one way, right? we can park by the motorcycle parking that we used to park there. By the falls.
Okay.
By the falls, no?
Yeah, somebody did.
Oh, right there. Yep. Oh, we can park there. Go to folks, fix your bike.
Oh, backwards.
Come on, man.
Alright.
We made it to downtown Summerlin, guys.
Tambay ski muna tayo dito.
So ito, may falls dito eh. Hindi man falls, parang water feature lang. Ayan o. So let's just stand by here. And then after this, we go home. Let's go. Yes, sir. What's up, folks?
What's up? What's up? That's what sucks about the GoPro. The battery too fast.
Yeah.
So you have to bring extra.
Or bring what do you call this?
A power bank.
A power bank, yeah.
Yeah.
Like put it through the vest in the pocket
Yeah.
Yeah.
and then hook it up.
Only bat. Short time bike is done. We gotta go home.
Tambay.
Time check, it's
Gotta connect.
11:33.
Okay, you guys take the lead.
Alright, folks.
Woo! Let's go.
Damn, I'm just planning to make a 15-minute video. Now it's 25 minutes.
More watch hours for you, bro.
Ooh wee.
You changed the tires on that Super Tech, right? Not yet.
No, not yet.
Oh, you should have taken the spacer at my house, so you can
Alright.
install the bolt wheel.
Oh, yeah.
Charleston Boulevard. I'll turn this off. It might be too bright for the 360. I don't know.
Yeah, you're probably only gonna see. It's nice. The weather is nice. My bike is saying it's 81 degrees. That doesn't make sense.
Really?
There's no way it's 81. Maybe Beaver is hot.
I mean, it got flames.
It's always hot.
It got flames. It's gonna be hot.
Hey folks, before we
Yeah.
make it to the gas station, you should say bye to your vlog, okay? We're gonna hear you. Don't be shy.
No pressure, folks. It's okay. We're like that too in the beginning.
Pressure, no pressure.
No pressure. Just do it like nobody's watching, man.
Yeah, do it like nobody's watching.
Look at the move.
I know, it's nice. Hey, man. Oh, doesn't give a shit.
Nothing give a shit.
Doesn't give a shit.
Hey folks, you better say bye now, man. You're gonna run out of battery.
Folks, you have to do your outro now.
Guys, thank you for joining us tonight.
Huh?
I'm gonna be signing off on my vlog tonight. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.
Let's go.
Less popping. Less popping.
Hey, folks.
Alright, good night.
Good night.
There is no one. No. What's up? No, what's wrong? When did you get that?
Long time ago.
Hey, not bad.
Hype beast, bro. Hype beast.
Anti-social boy.
Hype beast, bro.
Good night na. Papaalam na si Miss Omar TV.
Thanks, Mike Bomac.
Thank you.
Puta, wala sa planong ride talaga.
11, alas 12 na.
11:57. See you later, man. Best pa Sunday to work day. Good night. Ingat, ingat.
Okay. So,
Alright. Uwi na talaga to.
Group connection lost.
Yung vlog talaga today is para sa ilaw lang siya talaga dapat. Eh, nung nagpunta ako na Magpoma kasi may dala na akong pyesa, dumating si Pogi, nawala rin pasabi. He just showed up. And then with the helmet, with the GoPro, with the mics on. So we tried to figure out his mics earlier, and now it's working good. Bomac was like, let's test it out, let's go for a ride. That's why we went for a ride. It's a super unplanned ride. I was only trying to do at least 12-15 minutes video for the lights, but I think now it's gonna be more than that. But so far the light is good, especially if it's super dark. The aim, I might have to play with it still, but right now I'm happy where it is. I only hope that the lens cover will stick. Kasi medyo maluwag siya pag hindi mo nilagyan ng palaman. So ang ginawa namin ni Kuya Jody, we put the electrical tape on the light itself, so to make it thicker. But so far it's good. So Motor Fans, the brand of the light is again Motor Fans. And shout out to Oni Moto and Tito William for taking care of it. Thank you guys. Yeah, I'll just end the vlog here, guys. Again, thanks for watching our videos. To our new subscribers, welcome to our channel. To our long time subscribers, thank you for still watching our videos and sticking to the channel. Alright, until the next one, guys, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Let's go.